So guys, to say welcome to Jesse all the way from Berlin, we have to stop by this roadside and get some coconut water just for Jesse and the son to know that they are no longer in Germany, rather they are in Jamaica. So Jesse, you are officially welcome to Jamaica.
It's our first time in Jamaica.
I think I said it in Patois.
So welcome to Jamaica. But this not video, Jesse. You know some I don't understand them something here, them phone here. You must be saying so joking.
Yes, Dada. And you have medicine from the medicine chief.
Onion molasses.
Medicine in general, onion molasses. Only molasses right here, you know, man. Sweet sugar cane as well.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
Yeah, man. Drink a jelly, yes, man.
Pineapple, you can talk and fish of women. Fish of man, Jesse.
Yeah, man, I saw we do it down here. I saw we chop with sitting them down, watch out. That's all, you see that? I'm not flicking in a daddy. A mad thing, man. Forward, that's... yo, I'm not on a straw. I feel me that one, yeah? Yo, to the world. Veteran TV. I invite you to go and drink a jelly. Mad.
Hallelujah. 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 Sweet Jamaica. Welcome to Jamaica.
Welcome to
I need Jamaican passports. Passports. Yes.
That easy for you. I'm mad flicking. Give me the meat, I'm dead.
Daddy, give me my chocolate jelly. Yeah. And you know, say me no want a straw.
We don't do straw. Mad people. Veteran TV with the family.
Alright, people.
Mad.
I do the same thing. Alright? That one you're young.
Mad.
That one you're young.
Young is good or young is bad?
Young not sweet.
It's just not sweet, but it's good. It's good.
Young not sweet.
But it's good, you know.
Refreshing.
Yeah.
Young, it's good.
Yeah.
Young, but
Yeah, can't tell you water, you know, remember. I eat in the world. Until the next Iowa, the Veteran TV we talk to them again. Yeah. Mad. They go mash up the meat here. Big up.